Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ken Jennings will temporarily succeed Alex Trebek on Jeopardy! An earlier version of this article incorrectly described how long Drew Carey has been the host of The Price is Right. He is in his 14th year as host, not his 13th.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ken Jennings. Ken Jennings named first interim host of Jeopardy! Record holder Ken Jennings will be the first in a series of interim hosts replacing Alex Trebek when the show resumes production next Monday.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Who is Ken Jennings and what does he do for a living? Ken Jennings is an American game show contestant, consultant, author, and television host. In 2004, he won 74 games of Jeopardy! In a row and, in the years since, no contestant has come close to matching this feat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.